Hey y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to Chic Soul's YouTube channel. I'm in full costume. We are doing this today. So today I have a really fun video for you. 5 complete Halloween costumes using pieces you already own. I know from personal experience, and I'm sure y'all can agree with me, that Halloween costumes can be so pricey. So what I'm going to show you today is how to create costumes with pieces you already own, already in your closet, shopping your own closet. I'm a big fan of that. And just picking a few inexpensive accessories to add to it to create an entire costume. So first one I want to show you is the cheetah. So I have this really cute animal print top. We know this is something that I will wear all the time. It's something that I probably already have in my closet. It's a really nice longer sleeve, so if it's chilly where you live, you've got that extra coverage. A pair of black leggings, a pair of sneakers. And then I've added the accessories. So I have these really cute ears. I have a cute choker style necklace, and what you can't see is this in the back. So I've got a little tail attached to it, and this is just really an easy way to elevate your look. You're ready for the party, you're ready for your costume, whatever it is that you're doing that night, picture taking, Instagram worthy, you are here for it, you are ready. If you want to step it up a notch, throw on some heels maybe. But this first one, the cheetah, is something I can attest to that I've done so many times over my life, because I always own something animal print, and it's really easy to just throw on some minimal accessories and you're set to go. So look number 1, using pieces I already own, turned out super cute. Look number 2 is a scarecrow. So I am showing you the baseline for the costume. So I have some really cute dark jeans, obviously the boots, you have to do those. The plaid flannel is super scarecrow, and then threw on this really cute vest. Again, things I already own in my closet. Now to elevate it for a Halloween costume, we have the accessory of hay. Now I put hay as a decoration by my front door, so you can grab some of that. They sell it at Hobby Lobby, you know what I mean? You can buy small bales of hay if you want to add this accessory. I also think you could do grass. I don't know if anyone out there would agree with me, but I think some sort of brown greenery type something could elevate the look. So in the pockets, and the pants pockets, maybe coming out of your sleeves. And then also I think you should probably do the little bit of face paint. So throw your hair in pigtails, you can braid them if you want, leave them a little bit messy. And then that paint that sort of comes out with the lines on it that looks like a scarecrow. I've done this Halloween costume one too many times as well. And that face paint can be super inexpensive at the store. So look number 2, the scarecrow. It's fall time. When you're wearing this, chances are you've got the plaid already in your closet. So I think this one is super easy as well. And if you don't already have plaid in your closet, we have you covered. Links to everything you are about to see down below. So you can grab the staples that will, carry you throughout the season, but also can be used for costumes as well. It's like a twofer, a double whammy. You can't lose. You can't do Halloween costumes without a cat. Again, how many times have I done this in my life? So a great black dress, just like this one. I love the ruffles on it. I think it's so cute. It adds a feminine layer to the look. A great pair of booties, and then I have the black ears. If you can see closely, they have little rhinestones on them. So this is an easy way to transform your black look into a cat. Also, I will recommend to paint some whiskers on your face. I usually do that with just black eyeliner. But the cat is a very traditional, easy way to do a Halloween costume. And chances are you've got something black. If not, again, these are linked down below in the description box. But it's also very comfortable, so keep that in mind if you want to throw on some tights maybe, if it's a little bit chilly where you live. But the cat, again, how many times can I say, is a super easy way to get away with a Halloween costume, but you're still in regular clothes and you're very comfortable. Next costume, one guess. You get one guess for the next 5 seconds. I am a lumberjack. So let me put this down, stand by, and grab my other prop. Okay, this one again, super easy. I think too, it could be fun if you have maybe smaller stacks of wood, or maybe a fake axe or something like that. Could be really cute. The thermos is cute as well though. So this one, I love the black jeans. You've got your flannel, which you probably need anyways for the season. Depending on where you live, you can get a thinner version one, you could get the thicker version one, but this one's just a really comfortable way to dress up your Halloween look. You could carry this around, your beverage of choice, You've got your wood with you in the background. And this one again, easy, super comfy, and really fun for Halloween parties. And last but certainly not least, I have this look. So this is the Bachelorette. I think the rose gives it away completely. And then you just get to wear like a really fun sparkly dress with really cute booties and carry this around. The Bachelorette, The Bachelor, the whole like series, whatever it is super popular. So many people watch it, so many people know what it is. And really your one accessory is super light if you wanted to even like cut it, put it in your hair, something so you don't have to hold it all night. But I think that this look is really easy. I love this dress as well. This like rose gold color with the ruffle at the bottom, zips up the back, super comfortable. Again, the white booties are so in and so cute. So last but certainly not least, we have the Bachelorette. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you have some really great ideas now circling in your brain for Halloween costumes. Again, like I've mentioned a couple of times, everything you saw me wear outfit-wise will be available on the website. Be sure to use Curvy Style 15 to save 15% off of your purchase. Let me know down below which one of these you will be doing, because I feel like getting out of my comfort zone a little bit. I know I've mentioned like the cheetah and the cat I've done so many times. This is really pretty, and again, like I mentioned, you get a chance to wear like a really fun sparkly dress. So let me know your favorites down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.